Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of one more elegant designer pattern which we can try on already stitched blouses or any types of ready-made blouses using the normal stitching needle. And let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be using this beautiful golden lace which is been using for the highlighting of the neckline, also on the sleeves opening. Like this we have to place at the corners of the necklines and we have to give an invisible stitches on it. This beautiful lace is embellished with pearls and the sequence work, and this is of 10 rupees per meter. Approximately here I'd be taking 1.5 meters for complete designing of the blouse, front and back necklines, also on the sleeves. This is how I have stitched on the sleeve, also on the neckline. Now I'd be continuing this pattern using this leaf shape designer rings which is of gold color, placing it in the flower shape of 4 petals like this. Firstly we'll work with the glue, then we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run. So in between I'd be applying the glue dots to stick the flower rings of medium size. This is how we have to continue the pattern on the neckline, also on the sleeves. This is so simple design which will really gives elegant and rich look which you can easily try on stitched blouses. This is how without any gaps we have to continue on the complete neckline. First, these materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. Little by little apply the glue so that you'll not left with the glue patches or the glue stains, because that will look really odd. So do concentrate on the neatness and the fine finishings. I'm done with the designing on the neckline, also on the sleeves opening. So the leftover space I'd be applying the glue lines of 3 like this. This is on the sleeves, also on the blouse. Maintaining the equal gap, I'd be applying the glue lines like this. On these 3 glue lines I'd be sticking the leaf shape designer rings, followed with underneath with the circle designer ring. Now it's completely dried. I'll be giving an invisible stitches on it. On all the 4 corners of this designer rings we have to give the stitch, also on the circular rings. Extending the design further using this blue and red color kundans of leaf shaped small size. One after another I'd be applying these kundans. So 4 petals with red and another 4 with the blue. Now in the rings I'd be applying the glue dot to stick the rhinestones of silver color. And friends, I'm done with the designing. The completed neckline would look like this. Simple yet stylish, will really gives the rich and elegant look, isn't it? I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to those. The complete blouse, which I'm liking it very much. I hope you will also like it. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.